Listen carefully. Some stories do not begin with crime. They begin with silence. This story is not a rumor. It is not a theory. This story is based on public records, court documents, and publicly reported facts. This is the story of Jeffrey Epstein, a name that still raises questions around the world. Jeffrey Epstein was born in 1953. He was born in New York City. He came from a normal middle-class family. He was not born rich. He was not born powerful. He did not complete college. In his early life, he worked as a school teacher. He taught mathematics. At that time, nothing suggested what his future would become. Then something changed. Epstein suddenly left his teaching career. A few years later, the same man appeared in a completely different world. A world of extreme wealth, private jets, luxury mansions, private islands. This raised a serious question. Where did the money come from? Epstein said he worked as a financial manager for extremely wealthy individuals. However, there were no clear public records fully explaining his business activities. One of his most important connections was with Leslie Wexner. Wexner is the billionaire associated with Victoria's Secret. Through this relationship, Epstein gained access to powerful networks and elite social circles. From this point, Epstein entered the world of influence. He was not only meeting wealthy people, he had contact with politicians, celebrities, and powerful public figures. Later, court filings and flight records showed associations with several well-known names, including Bill Clinton, Prince Andrew, Donald Trump, Alan Dershowitz, Kevin Spacey. It is very important to say this clearly. Being named in records does not mean criminal guilt. These documents show association or contact, not proof of wrongdoing. Then the story became darker. Over time, several women came forward. Some stated they were underage at the time. They described serious abuse and trafficking-related allegations. Some said they were taken to Epstein's private properties. Others said they were pressured or manipulated. These claims became part of official investigations and legal proceedings. Epstein was not accused of acting alone. His close associate, Ghislaine Maxwell, was later convicted in a United States court. She was found guilty of helping recruit minors and facilitating abuse. This confirmed that Epstein's activities involved more than one person. In 2019, Jeffrey Epstein was arrested again. This time, there was no special agreement. Many believed a full trial would finally reveal the complete truth. But that trial never happened. Before testimony could begin, Jeffrey Epstein was found dead inside his jail cell. Authorities officially stated the death was a suicide. However, reports said security cameras were not functioning and guards failed to follow procedures. Because of this, many questions remain unanswered. There was no trial. There was no final testimony, only documents, only files, and a deep silence. So the question remains, was Jeffrey Epstein acting alone, or were there truths too dangerous to be fully revealed? This story does not end here. If you want verified information, documented facts, and deeper investigation, subscribe to this channel, because the truth does not disappear. It waits to be uncovered.